Best Tech of 2025? This top 5 list of must-have gadgets will blow your mind. From smartphones to smartwatches, we've got the hottest tech covered. Want to upgrade your tech game? Check the video description for links to buy these amazing gadgets early. Number 1. Apple Watch Series 8, the ultimate smartwatch for health and fitness tracking, seamlessly integrating with your iPhone. Number 2. iPad Air 2022. The perfect blend of power and portability, ideal for creatives and professionals. Number 3. Google Pixel 7 Pro. Experience cutting-edge Android with the impressive camera and intuitive software. Is the Pixel 7 Pro the best Android phone of 2025? Let us know in the comments below. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 foldable phone technology at its finest, offering a unique and versatile mobile experience. Number 5. Sony WH-1000XM5. Immerse yourself in crystal-clear audio with these industry-leading noise-canceling headphones. These 5 gadgets represent the best tech 2025 has to offer. Don't miss out.